Hola, hola, Coca-Colas. I hope you're all doing well. I miss you all very much and can't wait to be back together with you again at our schools. I'm going to walk you through here very quickly on how you're going to access Flipgrid for your assignment. So once you get to this slide, all you need to do is click on where it says Flipgrid, which will then bring you to this login window. Please make sure that you are going to log in with Google and you're going to select your LPS student's account. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this main window. Once you're here, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom where you will see two things. You will see the video that you already watched of me as an example, and you will see this plus sign. See how it says record a response? All you have to do is click through there. Once you've clicked on the plus sign, you record your video by hitting on the video camera and follow the steps after you're finished. So once you're done with your recording, press the pause button and then follow the directions to make sure it uploads correctly to Flipgrid.